Welcome to Little Fear, Big Lesson, where patience blooms brighter than fear.
Every heart has its season, and every dream waits for its rain. In a thirsty garden, one small seed dared to dream, even when the clouds forgot to come.
I'll wait, the rain will remember me, while others gave up.
Why hope, little one? The sky's forgotten us.
Maybe it's just late.
But the sky never forgets. It only waits for the right moment.
And at last, the flower lifted its face to the rain it never stopped believing in. Patience isn't waiting for time. It's trusting that your moment will come.
Little Fear, Big Lesson, where faith turns waiting into blooming.